All right, here we go, another video. It is February 2nd, Tuesday. Looking at a lot of these gainers from the Reddit group, Wall Street Bets, the whole maybe online Discord, online chat rooms that pump these stocks up. Let's take a look at a few more. BB, let's start with BlackBerry. Now you can see this was in a downtrend for years. It's been going down. It did bounce back in April. Got to six-ish, went sideways for a long time. Now here's the breakup. Big volume. Just got to 8, then nothing. This sort of floated down. Then here's the day, the 14th of January. This thing exploded. Really moved up. Stochastics at the 10, bounced at 12. Another big move. And look at this. This went to a high of 28.77. Big long here. And then this falls back. Tried to bounce again. But look at the 13 EMA. It held. There's a cross. You figure, okay, we're going to bounce here. Nope, went through. That was a fake signal. Reason to see your stochastics. When you're this strong this way, see, this is north. This is bullish. This is south. Your red's over your white. You can't move until you have at least a bend like a cross. Now you're trying to turn. That was a fake signal. So people know technicals, what these charts mean. That's what it meant. And people got sucked in there. So you had the big move up. You have a line now. You have a line going across at a 653. And then you have a move down here. Now, where are we going? We're getting really oversold. This could go to 10. Maybe on this breakout, they're going to bring it to 8, 8-ish or 9. Look for this area for a bounce. Could be tomorrow, possible. There's your monthly. There's your weekly. We cross down. Your 4-hour. I see this, the highs keep getting lower, lower. Really oversold. What at 2.33? That is extreme. So it could be rewarded here. We're totally flat though. We're totally flat now. This is flat zone on the 2-hour. Look at the 1-hour. Another one. See this front side, back side. 30 minutes going down. So, I'm looking for this area here. We'll see if this comes through here. We get a bounce sooner. You're very oversold, so I wouldn't want to be short necessarily. This might be the last day you want to be short. We could bounce up. If we bounce, it's not going to be up here. I think it'll be a lower bounce. Maybe we get back to 22, maybe this 18 to 20 if they put on a rally on BB. So we'll see if that happens here. All right, so that's BB, BlackBerry. Let's take a look at BBBY. And this is Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is another one. This is a little bit different. This was up near 18 back in 2019. Big ridges. Fell down to April. Draw a line right here. This is a nice trend for May, June, July, August, September. Look at this back and forth. Exploded up October. This got to 25. This was another one. Made some nice moves. It was a slow grinding move up. And then it just faded here. See, it's like going down. Nothing major. And it just found support. This trend line became a trend line right here at, 18. This is another one. So then this started to explode. Picked up with all the other stocks. This is an old relic, Bed Bath & Beyond. And one of the reasons, too, all these like Blackberries, Express, trying to bring back old times when things seemed like better for people. You could go to the mall. You could do stuff. You could go out. This is when people remember, even if times weren't that great, it was normal life. And then coronavirus hit and all this nonsense. And decided to close the world, which destroyed the world pretty much. Destroyed so many people and still doing it. So, they sort of changed the world and just work from home, stare at a screen, and that's your life. Be afraid. Drink the Kool-Aid. So totally brainwashing people. But so you go up here, and here's the move 20. Nice little dip, 25, and look at this explode. This one is high as 53.90. And here it is. That was the top. You come down, bounce, try to get over. Nope. Try it again. And look at this. We're going down. Just hit the 13 MA, bounce right down. So this is crossing down. So this is a negative divergence. We're going down, and it's oversold, getting more oversold. Now, if this doesn't hold this 25 line, yeah, I don't see much here. You can maybe say 21. Maybe this 18 line, 20. Right. Well, the trend line is very important. If this doesn't hold right in this area, that'll be a great bounce play because this is going to be very oversold by then. There's the monthly crossing down, the weekly, your 4 hour. See, look at this 4 hour. Straight up, straight down. Look how it is. It's crossing now. You have 3.09 oversold levels. It's very oversold. Yeah, that would be a good time to buy. I don't think there's much more downside here. As far as I think the bears are getting a little worn out this time. They pushed it down the shorts. See, it's holding that line. It's big support back here. But you don't know. It could, yeah, tomorrow could just fade a little bit more. Volume's decreasing. But overall, I'm looking for, let's see, 18 to 20 zone. If it drops there, I think it'll be a solid buy. Now, on the upside, we tried here at 30. We got to get back to this 30 level and reverse it and come up and maybe get to 40 if we like it. It becomes a major like counter trend here and we bounce hard. So look for that area, but take one step at a time on this. So this is where the chart is now. You know, big move, consolidation, big move up, and just where are we going to land here? All right, SKT. This is the mall, the outlet malls. Tandra Outlets, Factory Outlets. I'm in Philadelphia. They have one in down Atlantic City. So, yeah, this is part of the relic too, I guess. Let me just see where they have this line. They have it back in May. See this? Look, there was a spike. Spike. That's why you keep your trend lines. Technical analysis, I mean, it trumps fundamentals. If you're looking to trade, you know, you can't beat technical analysis. You go on CNBC, they have a few of them chart guys on. Most of them don't have any idea what this means. They're looking at Apple. Well, it beat earnings by 50. Like they have no clue. Yeah, fundamentals are important on very large stocks. You know, some stocks. Most stocks are garbage. Let's face it, they're junk. And yeah, they're going to move up and down on if news breaks, if they miss earnings or that. You have to understand all this is algos, trends, and you can make money from that. See, look at this line here. There's a reason this line's here. And look where it went to. It's not a coincidence. So it went right there. Yeah, this was bottoming for months. Then we broke up to 11. Look at this little dip back. Very oversold here. That was a great buy. People caught that on that first green and then over 11. This little flat top break. And then this thing rocketed to 2096. And look at it now. 4 straight down days. Now, where's this going to land? Straight down on stochastics, getting oversold. If a good trend line formed, I would say in this 11 area. If this falls one more right in this area, it could be a good buy. You know, if that doesn't hold, then, you know, anyone's guess at this point. Maybe it goes to here, 983. Maybe back to that June move, which is about 970. That would be a long wash. That would be a really long wash. And that would be a buy. So let's look at the monthly here. You can see it. Based, moved up. And see its support here. This is the monthly. You support right now at 11 and like 1057. Here's the weekly. Big shooting star wick. That's like a penny stock wick. 4 hour. Up, down. See it come down. Look, very oversold here. Very oversold stochastics. 2 hour. 1 hour. 30. Back, forth, back, forth. You know, in this it's showing, if I make it a little bit closer here, that 1150 to 12 area. That's on the 30-minute. So you can see in this SKT. Now, on the other chart I have, pink line's 20 to 200. It's just below. Let me get my other screen. This has all my moving averages. See, this is the 50-day right here. So that's right on the trend line. You can get a bounce. See that? And then way below is your other moving averages. Let me look at a BV. There it is, your 50 right here. That's at 913. BBVY. You get your 50 right here at 22 and then 21. That's good support there, plus your trend line. All right, so you get broadening wedges now. This is called a broadening wedge, where the wedge gets higher to the one side, higher on the low side. In between, you have massive moves up and down. So I suspect more wild action. All right, that's it for these 3 stocks. All right, please subscribe to Mike Campman Trades. Smash the like button. Trade ideas referral, my link. Twitter, MikeFrank007. TikTok, MikeFrank3. Instagram, MikeFrank98. Stock Twits, Mike Campman Trades. That is it. Peace.